In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a common due date for multiple tasks in your project. This is perfect for when a deadline shifts or you want to align several related tasks to the same target date without editing each one individually. I'll walk you through the process clearly and share a few helpful tips along the way. Start by selecting the task you want to update. Click once on the first task to highlight it. If you want to select a continuous range, hold Shift, then click the last task in that range. Everything between those two clicks will be selected. If your tasks aren't next to each other, hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac and click each task you want included. You can press Control or Command again on any selected task to remove it if you change your mind. Look for a visual cue like a highlighted row or a checked box, so you can be confident you've got the right set before moving on. Take a moment here to double check you're not including tasks that shouldn't be changed, such as completed work or items with different timelines. With your task selected, click the due date field. Depending on your tool, this might appear in a column header, a bulk edit bar, or a panel on the side. A date picker will open. Choose the new due date that all of these tasks should share. If your tool supports it, you can also adjust the time or weekday to ensure the deadline lands where it's most practical for your team's schedule. As you pick the date, think about dependencies and working days so you don't unintentionally place the deadline on a non-work day. After you've chosen the date, confirm the batch update. Most platforms will ask for confirmation to prevent accidental changes. Review the summary in the confirmation window to make sure the number of tasks looks right, then approve the change. The system will apply the new due date across all your selected tasks at once. If your workspace tracks activity, you may see a note in the task histories indicating the bulk update, which is useful for transparency. That's it. You selected multiple tasks, set a common due date, and confirmed the change. This simple workflow saves time, reduces errors from repetitive edits, and keeps your project aligned when schedules evolve. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you'd like to follow along step by step while you update your own tasks.